In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make unique voices with AI using the new Elevenlabs voice design. If you've ever wondered how to generate distinct and creative voiceovers effortlessly, you're in the right place. This tutorial will walk you through each step to design your own AI-generated voices. So, let's dive in. First, you need to open your web browser and go to the free text-to-speech and AI voice generator on the Elevenlabs website. This powerful tool is where all the magic happens, enabling you to explore and experiment with AI voice capabilities. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. You might need to create an account if you haven't done so. Just follow the typical sign-up process, and you'll be all set. Once you're logged in, head to the Elevenlabs homepage. Now that we're on the homepage, let's focus on creating your unique voice. Look for the option that says Create or Clone a Voice, and click on it. This takes you to a section dedicated to voice customization. Here, you have a range of features that allow you to tailor voices to your specific needs. The next step involves clicking Voice Design. This feature is where you can modify and experiment with different voice parameters to create something truly one of a kind. As you explore the voice design area, you'll notice prompts designed to guide you through refining your voice. Click on Prompt and take your time to review the suggestions. These prompts act as a creative catalyst, helping you navigate the fine-tuning process of your AI-generated voice. Once you've entered your desired parameters and settings, the next vital step is to click on Generate Voice. This action sets the system into motion, using advanced algorithms to synthesize and produce your unique voice creation. At this stage, you have crafted an entirely new vocal identity. Listen closely to the output to ensure it meets your expectations. This step is crucial because it offers a chance to make any adjustments if needed. Experimentation is key, as each tweak helps develop your skills in AI voice design, making each session better than the last. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the Elevenlabs platform to create unique AI-generated voices. Remember that practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to repeat this process to master the art of AI voice design. Thank you for tuning in today. Be sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Until next time, happy voice designing.